blue, white lace necklace. It's a very beautiful bird, and it was very rare around Wellington before the sanctuary was put in, before the fence went in. We did nothing to support the tui at all. There's no food in the valley, but there's a perfect spot for them to roost and to breed. So they come in in the evening and they overnight here, whether they're nesting or just roosting, and then they're off back out to the coast to catch their fish again. So you see them circling around the valley. You gain altitude before they head over the hill to the coast to go fishing. It's a nice little lake. Stop it. Off to invade somebody's garden, no doubt. And maybe they're off to the zoo. Been around for millions of years, evolved into this large flightless bird. He's over 20 years old, I'm not sure exactly. Their natural lifespan is about 16. There's about 500 of them.
Wow.
And the numbers are increasing by about 10% a year now. So the recovery is there, and they will only lay one egg a year normally. So recovering a species like this takes a lot of time. If you want another Takahe statistic, they do about 9 meters of poo a day.
Wow.
Wow. Skippiest on the lake. Plop, plop, plop on the perfect frame. Hi, guys.
Or
I can't see them. Oh, I see them. Wow, so many. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Oh, no.
I've been having these weird thoughts lately. Like, is any of this for real or not? Ha ha ha!
No!